Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening or night. I am Master Angel de Jesus with a new self-defense tip. And this tip, before I continue, I gotta congratulate those that have taken the opportunity to sign up for the 30-day free trial. I'm very happy that you have chosen to do that, and I know you're having a good time, and I know you're enjoying yourself, and I'm encouraged to tell others to come and join us and join you. And with that being said, if you have not signed up yet, you still got the opportunity to do that. Come and join us and enjoy learning self-defense, okay? Physical, mental, and spiritual. So with that being said, today, awareness number 2, or self-defense tip number 2, it is always be aware of the people around you. If you are in a mall, for instance, take good note to the people walking around you, sitting around you, eating next to you. I mean, really pay attention. This is a key factor. Pay attention to the point that you should be able to recognize their faces and their attire, whatever they are wearing. And the reason behind it is, if you see the same person or group later on coming close to you in a different location, like if you go to Sears and then you move to Target and you see the same people, which occasionally has happened, but if they have been particularly paying attention to you, you should be aware, especially if you are a lady, or you are a young lady, or if you are a young person, because you might be setting up. Time has really changed in this country. Things are no longer the same like they used to be even 15, 20 years ago. So we need to be aware and alert. With that being said, number 2 point is, when taking note of people as you go about, you want to be discreet as not attract unwanted attention to yourself. As you walk, casually look from left to right. With the help of your peripheral vision, you can see 180 degrees. By turning your head left and right, you should be able to see 360. Like for example, if I turn this way, I can see all the way 180 back. So when I turn back to my right and I turn, I can see all the way back. So that makes 360 degrees. And that is very important, always to be aware and discreet. That also guides you to walk with the chin up. It's a vote of confidence on your part. And you need to teach yourself to walk with your shoulder back and your chin up and be proud of who you are. And like that, you let everybody know that you are alert and that you're paying attention and that you are awake. So I hope that this tip helped you a bit. Until next time, see you soon. Bye now.